Hi everyone, this is Shad Abdu with the weekly analysis. As usual, we're going to analyze the market for this week. We're going to start with the euro against the American dollar on the daily time frame. As you can see here, that we have a downtrend line that we mentioned last week. I think that pretty much the same, just like last week. So what we're going to do this week is to wait for the pair to reach the area between 1.13 to 1.1217. This area, let me highlight it for you. This area. In case the pair goes down and shows up some bullish evidence, we can go long targeting the downtrend line, and when the price reaches the downtrend line and shows up some bearish evidence, we can go short targeting the level of 1.1217 during the week. So we have two scenarios. As a matter of fact, the pair goes down between 1.13 to 1.1217, shows up some bullish evidence, then we can go long. The second scenario is when the price goes to the downtrend line and shows up some bearish evidence, then we can go short targeting the level of 1.1217. Let's move to the JPUSD. Actually, we mentioned last week that the area between 1.2737 to 1.2690 is a very good area where we can go long. This is actually a support zone, as you can see, the highlighted area in yellow. So in case the pair shows up some, let's say, bullish evidence, we can go long targeting the level of 1.30 during this week. This will be conditioned by the continuation of trading above the level of 1.2640. Now let's move to the gold on the 4-hour time frame. As you can see here, that the pair is about to reach a strong resistance zone that is located between 1235 to 1245. Actually, this is where we can look for some bearish evidence. In case this happens, we can go short targeting the level of 1218 during this week. This will be conditioned by the continuation of trading below the level of 1245. Now let's move to the Australian dollar against the American dollar on the daily time frame. As you can see here, we have a descending channel, or a bearish channel, or a down channel, call it whatever you want. And what we can see is that we have the upside of the channel broken, as you can see. So what we can do this week is to wait for a resistance level, which is where we can actually find a good opportunity to enter the market. So I think by using Fibonacci levels, Fibonacci retracement this way, the very first strong resistance level that is going to meet the price is 0.7455, which is 38.2 of the downward movement, the previous one. So what we can do is to wait for the price to reach this area. We will be waiting for some bearish evidence, so we can go short targeting the level of 0.7350 during this week. Actually, if the price is traded below 0.7455, so from this level to 0.7350, this is about 100 pips, so this is great actually. So this is where we can go short to target the level of 0.7350, which is gonna be, I think, the uptrend line, the short-term uptrend line that we can see in blue here. Finally, with the JPY on the daily time frame, it is traded above an uptrend line just like last week, nothing new actually. We wait for some bullish evidence here again to show up for those who just want to enter the market for this week. So wait for some bullish evidence above this level. In case this happens, we can go long targeting the level of 149, maybe 148 as a first target, then 149. I hope this helps, and thank you for watching the video. Have a wonderful week.